Hello, welcome to InsectX, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the previous video, we have gone through the main phases involved in the penetration testing execution standard. In this video, we will learn how to set up our own virtual penetration testing lab. Setting up penetration testing lab. In this video, we will be focusing on how to create our own virtual test beds using the different operating system and images. However, we will be also using the third-party test bed images from the open source community. This entire penetration test goes completely in a virtual lab environment. So if something goes wrong over the virtual lab, it doesn't harm your main host operating system. So this is a lab setup overview. We will be having an operating system, that is a host operating system. The main operating system which is running on my machine, it is called as the host operating system. By using some sort of virtualization software, I will be installing the guest operating systems like the Backtrack or also Kali Linux, Windows XP, Windows 7, some other operating system distro. So coming to the virtualization concept. As Wikipedia states, virtualization in computing refers to the act of creating a virtual rather than actual version of something, including but not limited to a virtual computer or a hardware operating system, storage device, or a computer network resources. In a nutshell, we will be using a virtualization software for creating the virtual labs. Here just you need to consider two terms. One is the host operating system and the guest operating system. Host operating system, whatever the operating system which got installed in your primary hard disk, which enables the functionality of usage of a physical machine, which may be your desktop or else a laptop. It's called as a host operating system. Best example is I want to install the two operating systems and I need to work on these two operating systems simultaneously. So first thing what should I need to do is I need to purchase additional two machines so that I can work simultaneously. What's the main problem here is the cost of the hardware is getting increased, right? So to reduce that, I need to offer this particular virtualization so that I can share complete hardware resources. Coming to the next term, that is the guest operating system. The beauty of the guest operating system is it reflects the original physical presence of the operating system by sharing the hardware and the networking resources. However, for building the high-end penetration testing lab, our particular hardware configuration need to meet certain standards which have been listed below. So virtualization software, either you can use VirtualBox or else VMware or else Hypervisor. VirtualBox, it's an open source, it's a free of cost. In the VMware workstation is a commercial one, and even the Hypervisor also. Coming to VM player, it's a free one. RAM is 4 GB. It's recommended if you're having more than 4 GB, that's the best. And virtual test beds, we will be using the third party one or else our own customized labs. And coming to the good processor, okay, not the bad one. I recommend 2.8 gigahertz or the above one. If you're having the above the 2.8 gigahertz one, that's the best thing. Okay, so now let's create the Kali Linux virtual machine. So that primarily we need to download all these virtualization software first, and later we need to download the ISO images directly from the internet. Okay, so as an attacker machine, I will be considering the Kali Linux machine. So I need to download the Kali Linux machine from the Kali Linux official website. So the installation procedure will be carried out in the next video. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will learn how to install the guest operating systems.